In this video, I am going to guide you how to install a Windows OS or a Windows server on a linode vps machine. So let's get started. First, you will have to create an account on linode.com and then click on create linode. Now you can see that there is a images section, so we don't have to select any image as we want to install Windows. So click on cross. Now you will have to select the region. So there are plenty of regions as you can see. So select the region that is close to you. So in this case you will get better speed. So I will select the Mumbai region. Now there are several types of machine. So as you can see that dedicated 4GB machine will cost me $30 per month, and this machine has 4GB of RAM and 2 vCPUs. So select the machine that you want. I will select the dedicated 8GB machine. Now you can see that there is a linode label. So name this any label, like I will name this Windows, and add a tag if you want. Now you will not have to enter any root password. Scroll down and click on create linode. Now you can see that your linode Windows is being created. So as you can see that currently it is provisioning. So the next thing you will have to do is to click on storage, and you will have to click on add a disk, and then label this as Windows, because we will install a Windows server, so it will help us in remembering this. Now click on add. Now you can see that it is currently resizing, so it will take around 1 to 2 minutes, so you will have to wait. Now you can see that our resizing process has been completed. So now click on configurations and click on add configuration. Now label this machine as we are creating a Windows machine, so we will enter the Windows. Now scroll down in the virtual machine VM mode section, select the full virtualization process. Now in the boot setting, select the direct disk. Now scroll down, and when you see the block device assignment, click on the Windows disk and add configuration. Now our configuration has been completed. So what will you have to do next is to click the 3 buttons and click on rescue. Now make sure that this is the Windows selected here, and click on reboot into rescue mode. As you can see, the linode rescue has been started, and here is rebooting. So now click on launch Lish console. Now you can see that the Weblish console has been started. So you will have to paste the Windows machine Windows link here. So I have added the Windows link in the description of this video. You will have to open that. As you can see that this is the Windows Server 2012. If you want to install the Windows Server 2012, you will have to copy this command. As I am installing Windows Server 2022, so I will just copy this command, and you can see that all setting has been completed. So I will just paste this command here. Now you can see that the total size of this application that I am downloading is 5.1 GB. So it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to download this Windows server. So you will just have to wait on this page. Now you can see that the process has been completed 100% and our Windows has been installed. So let's verify. For verifying, click on G-Lish. Now you can see that it is showing you as welcome to GRUB. So that means our process has been completed. So just cross this browser and reboot the running instance on Linode. Click on reboot. Now you will have to wait, as you can see that this is rebooting. Now when you see that this machine is running after rebooting, then click on launch list console and then click on glist. Well, it is going to take some time, so you will have to wait. Now you can see that there is a screen showing us, so we will just click on it. Now you will have to move your cursor very carefully because this is a virtual machine, so we will just have to wait until we launch an RDP. So move your cursor to this password section and enter the password from the link. Here is the password. Just copy this password and paste on this screen. Now you can see that your Windows virtual machine has been logged in. So now we will have to create a user. So just go into the settings section and click on the control panel. Now click on the user accounts. Now click on the user accounts again. Now click on manage another account. Now click on add a user account. Now enter the username that you want. I will just type user. Now click on the password. You can use the keyboard to move the cursor easily. So type the password that you want to select. I will just type this password. Type any hint that you want. Now click on enter and click on enter again to finish this process. Now you can see that a user has been added and it is showing as local account. So what we will have to do is to change the user type. Now click on user and click on the change the account type. Now select the administrator and click change account type. Now you can see that our user has been made the administrator of this account. Now just come on the main page of your Linode and click on this IP address. Now go into the search bar of your laptop or computer and click on remote desktop connection and paste the IP address that you just copied from on this machine and click on connect. Now type the username that you created, as I created user, so I will just type that and enter the password. Now you can see that our Windows server machine has been installed and we have been logged into our account, and you can use this machine very easily. If you want to verify other thing like what is the size of this machine, you can easily go into the setting and see all of the setting of this system. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share this channel.